Hey there. Have you ever felt like you were fighting a losing battle with your weight? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a transformative approach to weight loss with Richard Trillian, author of You Will Keep Struggling to Lose Weight Until You Try This 4-Step Method. Richard was determined to break free from this cycle. Richard developed a unique 4-step method that targets the subconscious, helping to reprogram old habits and beliefs. Let's face it, traditional diets often feel like an uphill battle.
I believe it's the subconscious mind, that powerful force working behind the scenes, shaping our thoughts, habits, and ultimately, our actions.
Traditional diets often focus solely on the external, the food we eat, the exercise we do, without addressing the internal landscape of our minds.
This is where my approach stands out. I delve into the power of the subconscious, providing practical tools and techniques to help you rewire those old patterns and create a supportive inner environment for lasting weight loss.
It's not about silencing those cravings with sheer willpower, but rather understanding their root cause and gently guiding your subconscious towards healthier choices. So, what's the missing piece? Richard's journey led him from a weight of 224 pounds down to a healthy and happy 163 pounds.
In my book, You Will Keep Struggling to Lose Weight Until You Try This 4-Step Method, I share this empowering approach, breaking down my method into 4 easy-to-implement steps: the imagination method, the affirmation method, the writing method, and the recording and listening method.
These steps work in synergy, guiding you to visualize your ideal self, cultivate positive self-talk, set clear intentions, and reinforce your goals through consistent action.
Throughout this journey, I emphasize the importance of kindness and self-compassion.
So, are you ready to unlock your body's hidden weight loss potential? Welcome to Act 1 of our deep dive into Richard Trillian's transformative 4-step method of unlocking your body's hidden weight loss potential.
You see, our minds are incredibly powerful tools. What we focus on, what we believe, and what we envision for ourselves has a profound impact on our reality.
Visualization harnesses this power, allowing us to plant the seeds of our desired outcomes directly into the fertile ground of our subconscious minds.
This isn't just wishful thinking, it's about actively shaping our reality by directing our focus and energy towards our goals.
Think about it. Olympic athletes use visualization to mentally rehearse their performance, picturing themselves crossing the finish line in first place. Now, it's time to apply this same powerful technique to your weight loss journey. Section 2. Crafting your vision. Creating a vivid mental picture.
So, how do we effectively use visualization for weight loss? The key is to create a vivid and detailed mental picture of yourself at your ideal weight. Close your eyes and imagine yourself going about your day, feeling light, energetic, and comfortable in your own skin. Don't just focus on the physical aspects. Imagine the emotions you'll experience, the confidence, the self-love, the sense of accomplishment. The more detailed and emotionally charged your visualization, the more powerful it becomes in shaping your subconscious beliefs and behaviors. By consistently engaging in these positive visualizations, you're essentially programming your mind to believe that this healthier, happier version of you is not a distant dream, but an attainable reality.
Section 3. Engaging your senses. Making your visualization feel real.
To supercharge your visualization practice, try engaging all your senses. Don't just see yourself at your ideal weight, but feel the lightness in your step, the energy coursing through your body, and the confidence radiating from within. Imagine the taste of healthy and delicious meals, the sound of your feet hitting the pavement as you go for a run, and the feeling of your clothes fitting comfortably. The more senses you can involve in your visualization, the more real it will feel to your subconscious mind, strengthening the neural pathways associated with these positive experiences. As you consistently engage in this practice, you'll find yourself naturally gravitating towards choices and behaviors that align with your vision.
Section 4. Consistency is key. Integrating visualization into your routine.
Like any new habit, consistency is key when it comes to visualization. Set aside a few minutes each day, perhaps first thing in the morning or right before bed, to engage in this powerful practice. Find a quiet space where you can relax, close your eyes, and fully immerse yourself in your vision of success. You can also incorporate visualization into your daily routine by creating a vision board with inspiring images or listening to affirmations that reinforce your goals. The key is to make it a regular and enjoyable part of your journey. In the next act, we'll explore the power of affirmations and how positive self-talk can further enhance your weight loss efforts.
Welcome back to our exploration of Richard Trillion's 4-step method for unlocking your body's hidden weight loss potential. In Act 1, we delved into the transformative power of visualization. Now, in Act 2, we're turning our attention to the power of our words, specifically the practice of affirmations.
You see, our subconscious minds are constantly listening, absorbing the messages we feed them, whether positive or negative.
Affirmations offer a powerful antidote to this negativity. They are positive, present tense statements that affirm our desired reality, helping us to reprogram our subconscious minds and align our thoughts, feelings, and actions with our goals.
The simple yet powerful phrase "I am" is the cornerstone of effective affirmations. When we declare "I'm healthy," "I am strong," or "I am worthy," we are essentially rewriting our internal script, replacing limiting beliefs with empowering truths.
To maximize the effectiveness of your affirmations, it's crucial to craft them with intention. Here are a few key principles to keep in mind. Be specific, be positive, and use the present tense.
Instead of vague statements like "I want to lose weight," opt for specific and measurable affirmations like "I'm easily and effortlessly reaching my goal weight of your desired weight."
Focus on what you want to achieve, not what you're trying to avoid. For example, instead of saying "I am not going to eat junk food anymore," affirm "I am nourishing my body with healthy and delicious foods that make me feel amazing."
Finally, phrase your affirmations in the present tense, as if they are already true. Instead of saying "I will be slim and fit," affirm "I am slim, fit, and radiating health and vitality."
Just like visualization, the key to unlocking the power of affirmations is repetition and consistency. Incorporate your affirmations into your daily routine, repeating them several times throughout the day, ideally when your mind is most receptive. First thing in the morning, before meals, and right before bed.
You can write them down, say them out loud in front of a mirror, or listen to recordings of your affirmations.
Don't just mindlessly recite the words. Truly embody the energy of your affirmations, feeling the emotions of confidence, joy, and gratitude as if you have already achieved your goals.
Remember, change takes time and consistent effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. The key is to be patient with yourself, trust the process, and continue to nourish your mind with positive and empowering affirmations. Section 4. Beyond words. Embracing the feeling of your affirmations. While repeating your affirmations is important, it's equally crucial to embody the feeling of your desired outcome. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and as you repeat your affirmation, feel the sensation of already being at your ideal weight. Imagine yourself effortlessly moving through your day, making healthy choices with ease, and receiving compliments on your transformation. By connecting with the feeling of your affirmations, you're sending a powerful message to your subconscious mind, solidifying the belief that this desired reality is not only possible, but inevitable. In the next act, we'll explore the power of putting pen to paper with the writing method, discovering how journaling can further accelerate your weight loss journey.
Welcome back to our exploration of Richard Trillion's powerful 4-step method for unlocking your body's hidden weight loss potential. We've already uncovered the incredible power of visualization in Act 1 and the transformative impact of affirmations in Act 2. Now, in Act 3, we're going to dive into the world of journaling and discover how the simple act of putting pen to paper can be a game changer for your weight loss journey.
Richard calls this the writing method, and it's about tapping into the power of self-reflection to identify patterns, overcome obstacles, and stay motivated on your weight loss journey. Think of your journal as a safe and supportive space to explore your relationship with food and your body without judgment. It's a place to be completely honest with yourself, to acknowledge your struggles, celebrate your successes, and uncover hidden beliefs or patterns that might be holding you back.
One of the most powerful ways to use journaling for weight loss is through a technique called scripting. Scripting puts visualizations into words, crafting a detailed and emotionally charged narrative of your ideal weight loss journey. Imagine yourself at your goal weight, living your healthiest and happiest life. Write it all down in detail, using the present tense as if it's already your reality. Section 3. Tracking progress, identifying obstacles, using your journal as a tool for growth.
Journaling isn't just about envisioning your ideal future. It's also about reflecting on your present experience and identifying areas for growth. Use your journal to track your progress, noting what's working well and what challenges you're facing.
Did you make a healthy choice that you're proud of? Write it down. Did you slip up and indulge in a sugary treat? Don't beat yourself up. Instead, explore the emotions and circumstances surrounding that choice.
By understanding your triggers, you can develop healthier coping mechanisms and make more conscious choices in the future. Your journal can also be a powerful tool for identifying and overcoming limiting beliefs or negative self-talk that might be sabotaging your progress. Write down any negative thoughts that arise and then challenge them with positive affirmations.
Section 4. Cultivating gratitude, shifting your focus to the positive.
Finally, don't underestimate the power of gratitude in your weight loss journey. Use your journal to cultivate a daily practice of gratitude, focusing on all the amazing things your body can do and all the positive changes you're making.
Instead of fixating on the number on the scale, shift your attention to how much better you're feeling, how much stronger you're becoming, and how much more energy you have. Celebrate every small victory, no matter how insignificant it might seem. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, challenges and triumphs. By embracing the power of journaling, you can navigate this journey with greater self-awareness, resilience, and ultimately, success.
In the next and final act, we'll explore how to amplify the power of Richard's first 3 steps through the recording and listening method, using audio recordings to reinforce your goals and maintain motivation.
Welcome back to the final act of our journey into unlocking your body's hidden weight loss potential. We've explored visualization, affirmations, and journaling. Now we introduce the recording and listening method.
Imagine crafting vivid visualizations, writing powerful affirmations, and journaling. Amplify these practices with audio recordings.
Record your visualizations, affirmations, and journal entries. Create a personalized audio experience. Hearing these messages reinforces your goals. Creating your personalized weight loss audio. A step-by-step guide.
Creating your own weight loss audio is simpler than you might think. Here's a step-by-step guide.
Gather your materials, a quiet space, your phone or computer, and your journal entries.
Start with relaxation. Deep breathing helps calm your mind.
Record your visualizations, engaging all your senses.
Infuse with emotion. Speak with conviction and belief.
End with gratitude for your body and health. Section 3. Integrating audio into your daily routine. Maximizing absorption and impact.
The beauty of audio recordings is their portability and ease of integration into your daily routine.
Morning motivation. Listen to your recording first thing in the morning to set a positive tone for the day.
Workout boost. Play your recording during workouts to stay motivated.
Relaxation. Listen before bed to release stress and seep into your subconscious.
Section 4. The power of repetition. Consistently rewiring your subconscious mind. The recording and listening method harnesses the incredible power of repetition. Just as a sculptor chisels away at stone, exposing your mind to empowering messages reshapes your beliefs and reality.
Think of your subconscious mind as a fertile garden. Every time you listen, you're planting seeds of positive change. With consistent nurturing, these seeds will blossom into a healthier, happier you. Approach this process with patience and self-compassion. Wow, what an incredible journey we've been on together. We've explored Richard Trillion's 4-step method that goes beyond restrictive diets.
Let's recap the 4 keys to unlocking your hidden weight loss potential. First, the imagination method, visualizing our ideal selves. Next, the affirmation method, replacing negative self-talk with positive statements. Then, the writing method, engaging in self-reflection and scripting success. Finally, the recording and listening method, creating personalized audio experiences.
Weight loss is not a destination, it's a journey. There will be ups and downs, moments of triumph, and times when you may stumble. Approach this journey with kindness, self-compassion, and a focus on progress, not perfection. Embrace the process, be patient with yourself, and trust that with consistent effort, you can achieve anything. You've learned the tools, you've gained the knowledge, and now it's time to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment or for Monday to roll around. Your transformation begins now.
Start by incorporating just one of my 4 steps into your daily routine. Perhaps you begin with a 5-minute visualization practice each morning, or write down 3 things you're grateful for in your journal before bed. As you feel the positive impact of these small changes, you'll be inspired to incorporate more.
Remember, you are capable of incredible things. You have the power within you to create lasting change, to transform your body, and to live your healthiest, happiest life. Take that first step today and watch as your journey unfolds in ways you never thought possible. We're cheering you on every step of the way. You can get Richard Trillian Manty's weight loss book called You Will Keep Struggling to Lose Weight Until You Try This 4-Step Method of Losing Weight from his website richardmanty.com and also from Amazon. Kindly support this channel by pressing like, share, and subscribe to get future amazing videos.